Internet. Welcome back. I know recently we were talking about cleaning out the interior of the Eclipse. Look at that. Looking good so far. Right now, what we're going to do is try to get this motor back into the engine bay. This paint has come out very nicely. Very nicely. So we are going to take the motor, which is nicely packaged up right here, and get it on the engine lift and see if we can put the whole thing back in its place but still on the stand. There are some lines that still need to be run, and I don't feel comfortable doing it without the motor being in there. So we can do some mock-up with it. Real estate that is in short supply here. So let's get to it.